How to add text on Roblox Studio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add text on Roblox Studio. To begin, open Roblox Studio from your device. In the top left corner, click on the New button. This will lead you to various templates. Select the template that you are interested in and customize it as needed. To modify the properties, click on View in the top left corner and select Properties. Here, you can make different changes. Next, choose a model from the top and select Physical. Change it to Geometric. Now, click on Scale and adjust the box size. To increase or decrease its size, hold the box from the sides and drag it. You can use the colorful dots to do so as well. Once you have the desired size, click on it and choose Spawn Location from the right panel. Click on Decal and search for Surface GUI in the search bar. Then, click on the Insert Object and select Text Box. Add the text that you want to appear, and it should display in the box. That's how you can add text on Roblox Studio. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.